Imagine unlocking a part of your brain that has been sleeping your entire life. Imagine feeling calm and focused even in the middle of chaos. Imagine waking up every morning with clarity, energy, and peace. Imagine falling asleep effortlessly at night, waking up refreshed, unstoppable because you discovered the secret weapon that successful people around the world are quietly using right now. Welcome to the secret power of nootropics. Welcome to the incredible story of L-Theanine. Welcome to your new life, but only if you stay with me until the end of this video, because what you are about to learn could be the shift you have been waiting for your entire life. Today, more than ever, people are stressed, overwhelmed, and mentally exhausted. Coffee is no longer enough. Motivation fades fast, and despite working harder and longer, success feels like a moving target. What if I told you the real issue is not your work ethic? It is not your intelligence. It is not even your willpower. The problem is you have been trying to run a high-speed race with your brain stuck in neutral, and today we are going to fix that forever. Because by the end of this video, you will not only understand how to supercharge your brain naturally, you will feel empowered, inspired, and ready to take action. It all starts with understanding what nootropics are, how successful people secretly use them, and why L-Theanine might just be the greatest brain hack of our generation. What are nootropics and why they matter? Nootropics are substances that enhance cognitive performance. They are the focus boosters, memory enhancers, mental clarity activators, creativity igniters, and productivity amplifiers of the mind. But real nootropics are not energy drinks. They are not just caffeine shots. Real nootropics are designed to optimize your brain at a biological level. Real nootropics help you think clearer, learn faster, feel calmer, and make better decisions. They support neuroplasticity, neurotransmitter balance, and mental endurance, the exact traits that separate the successful from the stuck. Think about it. In a world of noise, distraction, and overwhelm, those who can stay focused win. Those who can stay calm under pressure thrive. Those who can sustain deep work for hours rise to the top. Nootropics, specifically the right nootropics, can give you that advantage, not in a crazy, unnatural, dangerous way, but in a natural, safe, and sustainable way that taps into the design of your mind itself. Enter L-Theanine, the unsung hero. Among all the nootropics out there, one stands tall for its simplicity, power, and proven effectiveness. That nootropic is L-Theanine. L-Theanine is a natural amino acid found primarily in green tea leaves, but its impact on the human brain is anything but ordinary. When taken correctly, it can unlock a level of calm focus most people will never experience naturally, and it does it without the crash, without the jitters, and without the downsides that come with many performance enhancers. L-Theanine crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases alpha brainwave activity. Those are the same brain waves associated with meditation, creativity, deep learning, and calm problem solving. It also modulates neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and GABA, which control mood, stress response, and mental clarity. It balances stimulation with serenity, energy with ease, drive with grace. Once you experience it, you never want to go back. How successful people use L-Theanine. Many successful people are not just lucky or genetically gifted. They are strategic about how they manage their minds. Elite entrepreneurs, world-class athletes, top executives, and high-performing creatives quietly use nootropics to gain that extra edge. L-Theanine is often at the core of their routine. But here is the twist. They do not just take it anytime. They use it with precision, and you can too. Morning protocol, L-Theanine with coffee. When you combine L-Theanine with your morning coffee, something magical happens. Coffee alone can cause anxiety, jitters, racing thoughts, and energy crashes. L-Theanine smooths out the caffeine spike. It promotes clean, stable focus without the nervous edge. Studies show that combining L-Theanine and caffeine leads to faster reaction time, improved memory, better accuracy, and heightened attention, all without the typical crash. Imagine sipping your morning coffee, feeling awake, but not frantic, driven but not desperate, productive, but still peaceful. This is the morning formula of champions, and it is available to you right now. Evening Protocol. L-Theanine for deep sleep. But L-Theanine is not just a daytime hero. It is a nighttime savior too. Taken before bed, L-Theanine helps reduce mental chatter, promotes relaxation, and improves sleep quality without sedation. It does not knock you out like melatonin. It gently encourages your brain to slide into natural sleep rhythms, so you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up ready to dominate your day. One molecule. Two worlds unlocked. This is the elegance of L-Theanine. The science behind L-Theanine. You might be asking, this sounds incredible, but what does science say? The answer is clear. Multiple peer-reviewed studies confirm the benefits of L-Theanine. Researchers have found that it significantly reduces stress and anxiety in both healthy individuals and those under psychological pressure. EEG studies show increased alpha wave production within 40 minutes of taking L-Theanine. MRI scans reveal improved connectivity in areas of the brain linked to memory and attention. Clinical trials show better performance on attention-switching tasks and improved emotional regulation in those taking L-Theanine consistently. Perhaps most importantly, the safety profile is outstanding. L-Theanine has been used for centuries through tea consumption with virtually no recorded toxicity. Side effects are extremely rare and typically only appear at extremely high doses far beyond what anyone would naturally consume. Most people experience only positives: calmness, clarity, and confidence. Now, let us get real. How much longer are you willing to feel overwhelmed, distracted, foggy, and frustrated? How many more mornings will you wake up feeling behind? How many more nights will you toss and turn while your dreams slip further away? You were designed for more. You were created with a mind capable of greatness. But greatness requires the right tools. Right now, you have the chance to choose a better path. Not someday. Not when you are less busy. Right now. Imagine 6 months from now. Waking up energized. Hitting deep focus within minutes. Solving problems faster than your competition. Building the life you know you are capable of. It starts with small, strategic shifts, and today, this could be your shift. How to start using L-Theanine. Here is exactly how to use L-Theanine safely and effectively. Morning routine. Take 100 milligrams to 200 milligrams of L-Theanine with your morning coffee. Adjust based on how you feel. Some prefer a 1-to-1 ratio with their caffeine intake. Expect smoother focus, fewer jitters, and longer-lasting mental clarity. Evening routine. Take 200 milligrams of L-Theanine about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair it with magnesium or chamomile tea for enhanced effects if desired. Expect easier sleep onset, fewer racing thoughts, and deeper rest. Choose a reputable brand. Look for pure L-Theanine without additives. Experiment carefully. Listen to your body. Track your results. Refine your approach. Biohacking is not about guessing. It is about mastery. Common misconceptions and cautions. Is L-Theanine a magic pill? No. It is a powerful tool, not a crutch. It works best when combined with good habits, quality sleep, nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and disciplined learning. Are there risks? At normal doses, almost none. However, if you are on medication or have a health condition, always consult your healthcare provider. Respect your biology. Now, I want to invite you into something bigger. Because this journey is not meant to be walked alone. Comment below and tell me, have you ever tried a nootropic before? Are you excited to try L-Theanine? What is the biggest mental challenge you face daily? By sharing, you're not just helping yourself. You are inspiring someone else who reads your comment. You are becoming part of a movement, a new wave of high performers who build each other up, and who listen to our How You Can playlist daily to stay inspired. Like this video if you feel the shift happening right now in your mind. Subscribe if you are ready to level up your life permanently. Turn on notifications because every new video we release is another blueprint for unlocking your full potential. Let our How You Can playlist play in the background as you work, dream, and build your empire. This is your time. This is your life. This is your moment to rise. L-Theanine is not just a supplement. It is a symbol of what is possible when you take ownership of your mind, your time, and your destiny. Success is not reserved for the lucky, the born rich, or the naturally gifted. It belongs to the focused, the calm, the relentless. The ones who understand that the mind is the ultimate tool, and they sharpen it daily. Today, you know the secret. Now, the only question is, what will you do with it? Your story is still being written. Make it legendary. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the How You Can movement. Your best chapter is just beginning.